G'day guys, my name is Russ and I'm the barbecue guy here at Appliances Online. Barbecues, it's an all seasons affair. So what we're going to do, we're going to give you some tips and tricks on how to maximise your backyard cooking experience, impress your friends and have a damn good time while doing it. So let's get grilling. So today we're going to be roasting a rack of lamb on the Weber BBQ. We're going to do that indirectly. It's going to be perfect. So here we've got an Australian lamb rack. It's perfect. It's been Frenched, which means that the bones are being cleaned. There is a fat cap on it. Now you don't need to take that off, you can, but you know what? I like to leave it on. I didn't get this athletic figure from not eating the fat. So now we're gonna put Dijon mustard on it. What this is gonna do, it's a binder for the rub that we're gonna put onto it. The salt and pepper, it's gonna give it that little bit of lamb flavor. It's a strong earthy flavor. It's gonna make those flavors really shine. So now we're just going to be generous with the salt and pepper that we're going to put on. Don't be shy about it. Then we're going to hit it with some natural flavors. We're going to hit it with some lamb rubs. So we put our seasoning on our lamb rack. It's time to put it in the barbecue. We've preheated it to a medium to low temperature. We're going to put it on the rack. We're going to let it go for about 45 minutes. Pull it off, perfect medium rare. So it's been about 45 minutes of that lamb with that indirect heat. It's time to take it off, plate it, let it rest, serve it up. So there it is, roasted lamb rack on the barbecue. Perfect midweek meal and an Aussie favourite. For more tips and tricks, head to our website. We'll see you next time, grillers and thrillers.